rational numbers practice bits. This is this is NMMS special. First question, product of 24 by 39 and reciprocal of 4 by 3 is. Product of 24 by 13, 24 by 39, 39, reciprocal of 4 by 3, 4 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 4. So product into 3 by 4. Next 3 1 ja 3 1 ja 3 3 ja 4 1 ja 4 6 ja 6 1 ja 6 by 13 1 ja 13. So answer is 6 by 13. Next question, the number of rational numbers between 2 by 5 and 4 by 5 is. ఇక్కడ 2 by 5 and 4 by 5, 2 by 5 4 by 5 మధ్యలో ఓన్లీ 3 by 5 ఉంటుందని అనుకుంటాము. దట్ ఈజ్ రాంగ్. ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ రేషనల్ నెంబర్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ నెంబర్స్ చాలా, రెండింటిలో చాలా ఉంటాయి. సో ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, మల్టిప్లై 6 by 11 with the additive inverse of 11 by 8. Multiply 6 by 11, 6 by 11 multiply into additive inverse of 11 by 8, additive inverse of 11 by 8, 11 by 8 additive inverse is minus 11 by 18, minus 11 by 18. So minus 11 by 18. Short form 11 1 ja 11, 6 1 ja 6 3 ja. So 1 into 1 minus 1, 3 1 ja 3. So answer is minus 1 by 3. Next, the product of two numbers is 28 by 27. Product of two numbers. So A into B equal to 28 by 27. One number minus 4 by 9. Then the other number. So other number let B. Other number simple ga product by one number. So product is 28 by 27 by divided by one number minus 4 by 9. 28 by 27 divided by into 9 by minus 4 divided by into ga change. So this is reciprocal. Minus 4 by 9 reciprocal is 9 by minus 4. 4 1 ja 4, 7 ja 9 1 ja 9 3 ja 7 1 ja 7 by 3 1 ja 3 minus. So answer is minus 7 by 3. The multiplicative inverse of 3 by 4 plus minus 2 by 3. So first you find this value 3 by 4 plus minus 2 by 3. 4 3 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9 plus into minus 2 4 ja 8, cross multiplication. So 9 minus 8 1 by 12. This value is total 1 by 12. The multiplicative inverse multiplicative inverse of 1 by A. 1 by A multiplicative inverse is A. So 1 by 12 multiplicative inverse 12. The additive inverse of 1 by 2 plus minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. First find out this value 1 by 2 plus minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. 1 by 2 plus 3 4 ja 12 4 2 ja 8 minus 8 3 3 ja 9. So 1 by 2 9 minus 8 1 1 by 2 1. So just this is change to like fractions. So both side multiply with 6. So 1 into 1 into 6 2 into 6. So next 6 1 ja 6 2 6 ja 12 plus 1 by 12. 6 plus 1 7 by 12. Additive inverse of a additive inverse ఏమో సింబల్ చేంజ్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ మైనస్ ఏ. సో 7 by 12 additive inverse is minus 7 by 12. So 3 by 5 into minus 2 by 7 into 5 by 4 into 0. ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాల్సినది ఇక్కడ ఇంటూ 0 ఉంది. సో ఆల్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ 0. ఆల్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ 0కి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది. -1 whole power 2025 వాల్యూ. -1 whole power n ఈక్వల్ టు 1. ఎప్పుడు 1 అవుతుంది? n ఈజ్ ఈవన్. ఈక్వల్ టు -1 power n ఈక్వల్ టు -1. n ఈజ్ odd number. Here 2025 is odd. So -1 whole power 2025 is equal to -1. Just this is practice bits for NMMS questions.